What animal is this? Cow. Yes, this is a cow. These are cows. What animal is this? Yes, buffalo. This is a buffalo. This is a buffalo. What animal is this? Yes, goat. This is a goat. This is a goat. What animal is this? Yes, sheep. This is a sheep. These are sheep. Do you know this animal? Yes, cat. This is a cat. This is a cat. What animal is this? Good. This is a dog. This is a dog. This is a dog. What animal is this? Yes, donkey. This is a donkey. This is a donkey. Okay, what animal is this? Mule. This is a mule. This is a mule. Do you know this animal? Yes, horse. This is a horse. This is a horse. Okay, what animal is this? Bull. Yes, this is a bull. What animal is this? Good, camel. This is a camel. These are camels. What animal is this? Yes, yak. This is a yak. This is a yak. Do you know this animal? Llama. Yes, this is a llama. This is a llama. This animal is just looking like a llama. Yes, alpaca. This is an alpaca. These are alpacas. What animal is this? Yes, rabbit. This is a rabbit. These are rabbits. What animal is this? Yes, pig. This is a pig. These are pigs. Do you recognize this cute animal? Yes, hamster. This is a hamster. This is a hamster. What animal is this? Yes, monkey. This is a monkey. This is a monkey. What animal is this? Yes, elephant. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. This is the last one. What animal is this? Yes, duck. This is a duck. This is a duck. That's all for today. Bye-bye.